BMW's maintenance schedules are designed to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of their vehicles. The specific maintenance requirements can vary based on the model and its powertrain. For electric models, e.g., BMW X, electric vehicles (EVs) like the BMW X have different maintenance needs compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. The recommended service intervals for the BMW X are as follows. Every 20,000 miles or 2 years. Replace the cabin air filter. Flush and replace brake fluid. Replace the remote control key battery. Perform a vehicle check, which includes testing basic functions, inspecting tires, topping off fluid levels, inspecting the high-voltage charging port, and conducting a road test. Every 40,000 miles or 4 years. In addition to the above services, conduct a supplemental vehicle check, which involves inspecting tie rod ends, steering components, warning light functionality, and the mobility kit components. These intervals are designed to keep your BMW X running efficiently and to address wear items before they become significant issues. For gasoline-powered models, traditional BMW models with gasoline engines have a different maintenance schedule. It's generally recommended to service these vehicles approximately every 5,000 miles or once or twice a year, depending on driving habits. Key maintenance tasks include engine oil and filter change, brake system inspection, coolant level check, tire rotation and inspection, vehicle inspection to identify any potential issues. These regular checkups help maintain the vehicle's performance and safety. Condition-based service (CBS) system. BMW's condition-based service (CBS) system is an advanced maintenance feature that monitors various components of your vehicle in real time. It evaluates factors such as driving conditions, mileage, and time to determine when specific maintenance tasks are required. The CBS system will alert you when it's time for services like oil changes, brake pad replacements, or other inspections, ensuring that maintenance is performed precisely when needed. For the most accurate and model-specific maintenance information, it's advisable to consult your vehicle's owner's manual or contact an authorized BMW service center. They can provide guidance tailored to your vehicle's needs and ensure that all maintenance is performed according to BMW's recommendations.